Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel World Fashion and Decoration Tour. Today in this video, I present to you some country chic vintage home decorating ideas. Let's start the video. Country chic vintage home decor is a popular interior design style that blends rustic farmhouse elements with soft, romantic and vintage touches. It is cozy, charming, and nostalgic, often evoking the feeling of an old countryside cottage. Country chic vintage decor is inspired by rural farmhouse living, mixed with French country elegance and vintage charm. It combines the simplicity and functionality of country life with the nostalgia and romanticism of vintage beaches. Core elements of country chic vintage decor. Number 1. Distress and weathered furniture. Painted wooden furniture with chipped edges. Use whitewashed or patina finishes to create a lived-in look. Often second-hand or antique pieces given a toy makeover. Number 2. Natural materials. Use of wood, cotton, linen, and iron. Use reclaimed wood tables, open shelving, and barn doors. Use wicker basket, jute jugs, and clay pottery are common. Number 3. Romantic textiles and patterns. Use floral prints, gingham, tulle, and lace. Layered fabrics like throw pillows, cushions, and curtains for a soft, cozy vibe. Use neutral backdrops with pops of soft pastel accents. Number 4. Vintage accessories. Use antique clocks, rotary phones, candlesticks, and lanterns. Use repurposed old items like cradles, ladders, or windows as decor. You also use vintage picture frames, embroidered tablecloths, or old books. Number 5. Farmhouse influence. Firm sinks, baseboard walls, and open shelving in kitchens. Use of galvanized steel, enamelware, and vintage crockery. Chicken or baskets, milk jugs, and wooden cutting boards. Rooms in a country chic vintage home. Living room, comfy slip-covered sofas, wooden coffee tables, and soft lighting. Use vintage trunks or baskets for storage. Mantels decorated with old books, candlesticks, or garlands. Bedroom, iron bed frames or distressed old headboards. Ruffled bedding, floral quilts, or antique side tables. Romantic lighting, candlelights, fairy lights, or vintage lamps. Kitchen, open shelves with old dishes, mason jars, and ceramic pictures. Use apron front sink, parquet block countertops. It's mix of modern appliances with rustic accents. Vibe and atmosphere. Warm, welcoming, and nostalgic. Feels like a family home passed down through generations. Every piece tells a story, especially the vintage finds. Why people love it? Country chic vintage decor is not just about looks, it is about creating a feeling, comfort, and nostalgia. It reminds people of simpler times, maybe grandma's house or an old countryside retreat. Sentimental value. It often includes heirlooms, or second-hand pieces with stories behind them. Sustainability. Upcycling and reusing vintage pieces is eco-friendly and budget-friendly. Popular variations of the style French country chic, inspired by prophets, warm white, lavender, and soft yellow. Is a scurvy furniture, old iron, and lots of romantic florals. Number 2, modern farmhouse chic, more minimalist, with black, white, and oak tones. Sleek lighting and open spaces make cozy vintage charm. Number 3, rustic country chic, heavier on reclaimed wood, exposed beams, and architectures. Feels more cabin in the woods, with cozy, grounded elements. Country chic type culture. A big part of the country chic lifestyle is doing it yourself. Distress furniture. Use sandpaper and chalk paint to make something new look vintage. Repurposing. Turn old ladder into shelves, cradles into coffee tables, or messengers into vases. Crafts. Handmade threads, painted side, or fabric bundling add personal charm. Room by room styling tips. First, interior. Use a vintage bench or console table. Take a distressed mirror or antique hooks. Add a basket for shoes or a tray for keys. Dining room. Use a large farmhouse table with mismatched chairs. Use a vintage candelabra or messenger lantern. Open shelving with vintage dishes and pictures. Bathroom. Use clawfoot top if possible, or vintage style buckets. Open shelving with art baskets and shawl towels. Use messenger soap dispensers or antique mirrors. Decor staples to look for: galvanized buckets or trays, with the suitcases stacked as side tables. Use iron bed frames, barn doors, slating or decorative. Uses botanical prints, old maps, or calligraphy sign. Use messengers, milk bottles, and enamel ware. Uses lace curtains or crocheted throws. Timber historical roots. Country chic draws from European rural traditions, especially English cottage homes, with floral wallpapers and cozy fireplaces. French country villas with ornate furniture and soft pastel tones. American farmhouses using handmade furniture, winter squares, and open, welcoming spaces. It is a blend of refined vintage beauty and practical rural life, evolved through generations of passed down furniture, linens, and handmade decor. Materials that define the style: chalk paint, a go-to for painting furniture with a matte vintage look, iron and tin, used in light fixtures, curtain drawers, and decor. Oak, preferably reclaimed or distressed pine, oak, or walnut. textiles, linen, cotton, lace, and crochet, ceramic and glass, milk glass, messengers, or vintage plinters. How to set the mood? Country chic homes feel like a warm hug when you walk in. Here is how to capture the vibe. Scents. Use candles or diffusers with lavender, vanilla, or linen scents. Lighting. Use table lamps, sconces, and warm-tone string lights. Touches of nature. Wildflowers in pictures, indoor plants in terracotta pots or dried lavender buckets. Common mistakes to avoid: overcrowding with antiques. Too many vintage items can feel cluttered. Balance old and new. 4. Flow and space. Making it too frilly. Keep some plain lines or neutral elements to avoid looking overly ornate or granny style. Neglecting comfort. Don't choose from overfunction. Country chic is meant to be lived in, not just looked at. Forgetting personal touches. Mix in items that matter to you, photos, handmade items, or inherited pictures. Advanced details of country chic vintage home decor, layering styles within country chic. Even within these aesthetics, there are ways to personalize it. Here are subtle style mix-up that still feel country chic. Cottagecore country chic. Think soft florals, vintage teacups, book stocks, and botanical prints. Ideal for those who love nature and worldwide charm. Scented country blend. Use curly oats, minimal patterns, and clean lines with soft linen textures, bringing a Scandinavian calm to vintage warmth. Plum country chic. Adds touches of crystal candelabras, mirror trays, or metallics like gold and silver. This cozy but a little more elegant and refined. Seasonal transitions. On crate. Think about country chic vintage style is how beautifully it can shift with the seasons. Spring or summer. Light cottons, floral trains, vintage watering cans, and fresh flowers. In old pictures, use soft blues, yellows, and shade greens. Fall and winter. Late rose, vintage copper pots, hourglass, cinnamon scented candles. Swap in cheaper colors like rust, olive, and cream. Mix of old and new. Country chic does not mean your whole home has to be antique. The best homes mix old and new, like a distressed farmhouse dining table paired with modern slip-covered chairs. Use vintage artwork hung next to a sleek wall sconce. A rustic console table style with a modern lamp. This balance keeps your space from feeling like a museum. Want to find decor pieces, whether you want shifting or shopping new? Here are some great sources. thrift stores and flower markets or estate sales, ideal for getting one-of-a-kind items cheap. Aesthetic, great for handmade and upcycled vintage style pieces. Next, home goods, Hobby Lobby, missions, a vegetable country chic decor, especially seasonal. Bringing character into a new home. If you live in a modern home or apartment, you can still achieve the look. Try adding bedboard or shiplap accent walls, swapping cabinet knobs for vintage style hardware, installing a barn drawer or vintage style pockets, using wallpaper with floral or choral patterns. The role of storytelling. Every country chic home feels lived in because it tells a story. Use handwritten recipe cards, black and white family photos, or heirloom furniture. Display old books, collected teacups, or handmade coins to make your home feel personal and authentic. Country chic vintage home decor is a popular interior design style that blends rustic farmhouse elements with soft, romantic, and vintage touches. It is cozy, charming, and nostalgic, often evoking the feeling of an old countryside cottage. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel and support me. Thank you.